Where should I invest money right now? Here are some very profitable short-term investment options. Think like long-term investors and take advantage of opportunities to diversify your portfolio. Stocks. Stocks are a popular choice for many investors, as they offer the potential for high returns over time. However, you should always keep an eye on market conditions and be prepared to adjust your strategy accordingly. Real estate. Another profitable investment option is real estate. Whether you're buying a rental property, flipping houses, or investing in commercial real estate, there are many opportunities to make money in this sector. Cryptocurrency. With the meteoric rise of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies over the past few years, it's an ideal time to get in on this exciting new investment. With many analysts predicting continued growth in this space, now is a great time to start trading or investing in crypto. When we talk about cryptocurrency or any investment, it is important to store them safely. How can you secure your cryptocurrencies? One option is to use a cryptocurrency wallet, which is a physical device on which you can store and keep track of your crypto investments. These wallets offer a range of features to help protect your assets, including multi-signature functionality and offline storage. Out of the numerous options, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are considered to be one of the most reliable cryptocurrency wallet options out there. They provide strict safety measures that ensure no compromise during transmission, making them an excellent choice. Check out Ledger wallets today. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, check out our previous video.